My project is an exploration of the idea of language, sound, and music, and specifically through the vehicle of the trombone. My project is a collaboration of several local communities and international communities, namely communities of composers and musicians. I've worked with composers from the local community of Austin, Texas, where I'm coming from, and also the international community, drawing from composers from the Netherlands, Israel, and several other places throughout the world. And each one of these pieces explores language and how it relates to music on a different level.